Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The rise of 10-speed transmissions in trucks, how they changed the industry. Truck transmissions might not get all the spotlight, but they play a huge role in performance and efficiency. Over the years, the push for better fuel economy and smoother driving led to one major innovation, the 10-speed transmission. This advancement changed the game for trucks, combining power and precision like never before. In this video, we'll explore how this transmission evolved and why it became such a big deal in the trucking industry. The early days of truck transmissions. Before today's smooth and efficient 10-speed transmissions, early truck transmissions were far simpler, but far from ideal. These early systems had their jobs cut out for them: keep heavy-duty trucks moving, haul immense loads, and handle demanding routes. However, they were primitive compared to modern standards, and drivers faced significant challenges behind the wheel. The mechanics of early systems. In the beginning, truck transmissions were basic assemblies, often based on designs borrowed from car gearboxes. They relied on straightforward mechanical components to deliver power from the engine to the wheels. Early trucks typically featured 3 or 4-speed transmissions with direct drive configurations. While these systems worked for lighter loads, they quickly struggled when tasked with heavier payloads or rough terrain. These transmissions lacked any form of synchros, which meant that matching gear speeds required a high level of skill. Drivers had to double clutch to shift gears, a technique involving precise timing and coordination. Miss the timing, and you'd hear awful grinding noises, along with frustration. It's no exaggeration to say that driving these trucks demanded physical effort and full attention. Performance-wise, these early systems had obvious limitations. Trucks couldn't reach high speeds, especially when fully loaded. Climbs up steep grades became slow, painstaking efforts. Additionally, fuel efficiency took a backseat. Early transmissions just weren't built with economy in mind. Trucks burned more fuel while delivering less horsepower to the road, making long hauls less practical and more expensive. Shift to multi-speed transmissions. As the trucking industry grew, the demand for better transmissions became crystal clear. Hauling larger loads over longer distances meant early designs were falling behind. This pushed manufacturers to move from basic designs to multi-speed gearboxes, introducing improved versatility and performance. Multi-speed transmissions introduced a greater range of gear ratios, which allowed trucks to meet specific driving needs better. Instead of just 3 or 4 gears, manufacturers rolled out innovations like 5-speed or 6-speed systems. This shift was a game-changer for gearing down on steep inclines or winding up more efficiently on flat highways. In addition to improving performance, these gearboxes enhanced driver control. Instead of struggling with only a few options, drivers could now handle changing terrain and conditions with greater ease. The shift towards multi-speed systems also improved fuel efficiency, albeit marginally by today's standards. Trucks could operate in a more optimal power range, reducing engine strain and fuel waste. Early multi-speed transmissions still had their quirks. Mastering them required practice, and they often came paired with non-synchronized gear sets. For drivers, this meant double clutching was still necessary. However, these advancements marked a pivotal step in making trucking a more viable, and even slightly less grueling, profession. The introduction of multi-speed transmissions also laid the groundwork for future innovations. By the time 8 and 10-speed systems appeared, the industry was already accustomed to improving drivability and adapting to new challenges. Every gear added to the early multi-speed systems represented the trucking industry's push for improvement. The lessons learned from these first designs paved the way for the smarter, smoother systems we see today. Introduction of 10-speed transmissions. The 10-speed transmission didn't just appear out of nowhere. It arrived as an answer to long-standing challenges in the trucking world, offering solutions to inefficiencies and refining a system that had needed an upgrade for decades. By improving power delivery, reducing fuel consumption, and enhancing driver control, this innovation set the stage for modern trucking. Let's look at how it all started and why this technology became indispensable. Key innovators and brands. When it comes to 10-speed transmissions, a few names come to mind immediately. Eaton was one of the first major companies to pioneer this technology. Founded on a legacy of creating durable drivetrain solutions, Eaton developed rugged yet efficient 10-speed transmissions tailored for both regional and long-haul trucks. Their models combined versatility with reliability, making them an industry standard. Another early innovator was Fuller, a brand that would later merge with Eaton. Fuller transmissions were well known for their robust engineering and adaptability in challenging conditions. Together, Eaton and Fuller became synonymous with 10-speed systems, offering both manual and automated options that shaped the industry's direction. Design advantages over earlier models. So, what set 10-speed transmissions apart from their predecessors like 6-speed or 8-speed systems? The differences were more than just adding a few extra gears. It was about refining how trucks performed under real-world conditions. Smooth power delivery. Earlier transmissions often struggled to balance power across their limited gear ranges. With 10 gears, transitions became smoother, reducing strain on both the engine and driver. This translated to a more predictable and controlled driving experience, especially on steep grades or during acceleration. Improved fuel economy. One of the standout benefits of the 10-speed was its ability to maintain optimal engine RPMs. By allowing the engine to operate in its most efficient range more often, these transmissions drastically reduced fuel consumption. In an industry where fuel costs often determine profitability, this was a game-changer. Enhanced versatility. Trucks encounter everything from tight city streets to open highways and steep inclines. The additional gear ratios provided by a 10-speed offered greater flexibility in handling these scenarios. Drivers had more control, whether climbing a hill loaded with heavy cargo or cruising efficiently across flat terrain. Durability and longevity. With more gears to distribute workload, 10-speed systems often experienced less wear and tear compared to older models. Components like clutches and synchronizers lasted longer, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. For fleet owners, this added significant value. Driver-centric features. Early transmissions were notoriously difficult to master, but 10-speed designs introduced user-friendly improvements. Later models offered automated shifting, which eliminated the need for constant manual adjustments. This not only reduced fatigue but also made trucking more accessible to a wider pool of drivers. By addressing long-standing issues like inefficiency, wear, and limited versatility, 10-speed transmissions weren't just an upgrade, they became an essential tool for modern trucking. These advancements signaled a shift toward smarter, more adaptable solutions, all while prioritizing the needs of both drivers and businesses. Technological advancements in 10-speed transmissions. The 10-speed transmission has become a major component in modern trucking. Its seamless integration with newer technologies and enhanced capabilities showcase just how far transmissions have come. To better understand its impact, let's break down two critical aspects of its development: its pairing with advanced engine systems and its use of automation and smart features. The evolution of truck transmissions from basic systems to modern 10-speed designs is a testament to the trucking industry's constant drive for efficiency, performance, and innovation. Whether it's improved fuel economy, better driver comfort, or advanced technologies like automation, these transmissions have played a vital role in shaping the future of trucking. As the industry moves toward even more advanced solutions, ranging from AI to electric drivetrains, the future of truck transmissions looks promising. While challenges remain, the 10-speed transmission has set a high bar, and future innovations will only continue to improve the way trucks operate. For truck drivers, fleet owners, and the entire industry, the ride ahead is sure to be exciting. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.